We live near farm fields. Is there anything you can do to protect garden tomatoes from farm herbicides? And this is Clarence from Walnut Ridge, Arkansas. Get that question a lot around this way, especially in the Millington area.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you're very familiar with some of those questions.
I am, and you know, I've worked in the industry. And,
I know you have.
And worked with farmers and worked with homeowners. And I have a sister, Charlotte, lives over in Caruthersville, Missouri, and she's unable to grow tomatoes. She's not been able to grow tomatoes for the last several years. My suggestion is to talk to the farmer. See if you can identify. See if you can identify where, which farmer, and if you know which field it's coming from, go talk to the farmer and just tell them that you like to grow tomatoes, and it may affect the crops that he plants close to your house.
Okay.
He may completely change so that he's not using one of the herbicides that is the tomatoes are very susceptible to. That may do that. He may offer to pay you for the tomatoes if you've lost some. And I know Clarence is probably not interested in that. Yeah. He's probably not interested in being paid for them. He just wants to be able to grow tomatoes. Most people like homegrown tomatoes. Yep. But that's the first thing I'd do. I'd go talk to the farmer, and you know, it doesn't have to be a confrontational situation. Just say, hey, you know, I know he probably knows him. They're probably friends. They may go to church together. Just say, man, you know, I sure am having trouble growing tomatoes now for some reason. I don't know what the problem is, and you know, but that's the best way to handle that.
I like that.
You know,
I do.
Talk communication and see if you can work something out.
Right. But I'm with you. Yeah, you just communicate, you know, with the farmer. Maybe that helps.
Yeah, it may change. He may simply, you know, we'll plant something else there where we won't have to use it. One of those products.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.